So this video is all about how to create a flux. Okay, so for that purpose I already created one class and added two annotation. I am implementing command line runner here to create it and implementing run or implement the method called run method. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now let's I'm trying to do how many there are, means there are some factory ways or they provide some method to create a flux. So let's check it. For that purpose I am creating one array list. Okay, so it's a list of integers. Okay, so list of integer and it's a number list. Okay, so it's a number list and it contain a array dot as list. Okay, array dot as list, arrays dot as list. Okay, so I'm adding some number here like 25897. Okay, no, I want to add a comma. Okay, so let's add comma here. Okay, so I added some numbers here. So this is nothing but the list. Okay, so first I'm trying to create a list with the help of iterator. Okay, so I'm creating example here. Okay, so we have flux and flux have the method name from iterable. Okay, so we have this method from iterable. So iterable is the super interface of all collections, so we can add set or list any kind of collection into the iterable. So I'm adding the number list and let's add it, and it is going to return you flux of integer. Okay, let's return it for flux of integer. Okay, so how to print it? I am not going to print it. I am using log method provided by them, not directly. I am using integer flux and dot log. Okay, and you need to subscribe each and every time whenever we are working with this flux. Okay, so I am using one log here. So log dot info, and this is from iterable. Okay, let's add this from iterable. Okay, I am writing whole example in one scenario and run it commonly. Okay, now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to do create a flux from array. Okay, so again we have another handy method from array. So it's a flux dot array from array. So I'm going to add one array here. So first I need to create array. So I'm creating a string, or okay, I'm creating string of array. String array is equal to I am going to add a string array. Okay, so for that purpose I'm going to adding it with this bracket. Okay, so this is array. So I am adding some string here called consider ASD or some valid name like code. Yeah, I don't have many example. Code with Pratik. Okay, so I'm added three string here and putting that array inside from array. Okay, sorry, it's wrong. Okay, my bad. Okay, I'm putting it array, and for printing, okay, so it return basically it return uh, flux of integer, flux of string. Okay, so it's return flux of string, and now what I'm trying to do, string flux dot log dot subscribe. Okay, okay, so now from what we are going to, yeah, I'm going to create a flux from the streams. Okay, so Java stream, Java 8 provide a facility of stream, so we can convert any array list, any array list from any list or any collection into the stream with the help of dot stream. Okay, so we have the list here number. Okay, okay, so I'm taking number list dot stream. Okay, so we get a stream here and it return a streams of integer. Okay, so it's a stream. Okay, now I'm going to stream.log. Stream.log. No, sorry, my mistake. Okay, so I'm using flux dot from stream. Okay, so we have handy method called from stream, and here we provide a stream. Okay, and it return a flux of stream. Okay, let's return this. It going to return a flux of integer. Okay, so I'm going to integer flux 1. Okay, dot log, and after that subscribe. Okay, so yeah, it's done from stream digit array, and now yeah, we can create a range too. I'm using the handy method called range from range. Okay, and this is from array. Okay, so we have flux. Okay, sorry, it's a capital flux dot range. Okay, it started, it take two parameter int start and count. So I'd start it with 10, and the parameter should be, suppose I want a 7 parameter after 10, not 77. Okay, and it is going to return you a integer of flux of integer. Okay, so yeah, so we get a range, and again range dot log dot subscribe. That's it. Now let's run it and check what happened behind the scene. Yeah, so this is from iterable. We create it. Okay, we are added some number into the list and create the flux from it. And these are the event according to the data present inside a flux. Okay, this is from array code with Pratik. Okay, and after that this is from stream. So it is same array list. Okay, it is nothing is there because we converted array list into the stream, and this is the range from 10 to 6. It's a 7 element. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.